This is the UniFi Superlink Gateway, which is the first release of their Superlink lineup, which is going to be a bunch of sensors and security devices that are all wirelessly connected to, you guessed it, the Superlink. Superlink is compatible with the older UniFi sensors, which is ideal as the latest access points, the U7s, are not compatible with this. If you're kind of unaware of how that was working, the U6 access points would broadcast a Bluetooth signal which connected to these devices, so they all worked. But that hasn't been working for a little while now with the newest access points. So we're going to unbox this thing, get it set up, test it out with this sensor, and we'll see how everything works. Now that the device is powered on, you should see it showing up in our Cloud Controller. I see it here, so I'm going to click Adopt on it. And it'll just take a moment to adopt. Now that it's connected, we're going to take our UniFi sensor. Let's unpackage this guy. And we'll pull out the battery blocker, whatever you want to call it. And it should power on automatically. And we'll wait for it to show up. Here we are. Click to adopt, and we'll adopt the sensor. This will take just a moment. And there we are. It is online. Perfect. Now that the sensor is adopted, we're going to open it up and go to the Sensor Manager, and we'll click on Sensor Settings. And we should choose what type of sensor we want it activated for. In this case, I want to do temperature, and we'll hit apply. And there we go. It is 24 degrees Celsius. That's how to set up the sensor and the Superlink. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.